Hello everyone. I hope all of you will be safe and happy. Today is Eid al-Fitr, 1st of Shawwal, the 10th month of lunar year. This is the end of Ramadan, the holy month for fasting. So this is the beginning of my day, as for probably all other Muslims in the world. Salatul Fajr, Fajr prayer. Today is 24th of May, and this is the beautiful sky in the morning. I showed this small video from the window of my bedroom just to show you the flying birds, chirping sounds, and soft sunlight of the morning. I have 3 bedrooms in my house, and I will show you the videos that are shot from the windows of all the bedrooms. I heard and read about the curfews and lockdowns since Second World War till today, and I felt the pain of those who were sufferers, but not to the extent that I felt today, because today I am the one who is suffering, because we have 5 days of curfew during Eid days to protect ourselves from COVID-19 pandemic and to keep us at homes. So this is for our safety. So it's okay. If we are safe, we are alive. So things are tolerable. I know my suffering is not to that extent as for those who suffered in other situations. These are sweet rice in different colors. We cooked to distribute to our friends and next door neighbors. Due to curfew, we can't go away. So this is yummy chicken curry with cilantro for our lunch today. This is typical Pakistani Punjabi pulao with spices and meat. So it will be served with yogurt and salad. So these sweet rice, we call it mutanjan, is decorated with dry nuts for distribution to our next door neighbors and friends. This one is remaining yet. Let it be complete and then we will distribute. Yes, now it's all done. So this is our table for lunch. We are still 2. The rest of our 3 family members are apart, actually thousands miles away. But we are hopeful. Soon, when these curfew and lockdowns will be over and international flights will be resumed, so we will be together. And so far, so good. All are safe, either apart, it's okay. So this Eid is not like previous Eids. As few weeks before, our Christian friends, brothers and sisters celebrated Easter in isolation. The same happened with Muslims all over the world during Ramadan and now for Eid. But it's okay. If we are alive, we are safe, so we can celebrate many Eids. But if we are not, then how it can happen? So safety is important. And we are privileged and we are blessed that we have homes to stay, and we have dear ones, though we cannot see them now, but sooner or later when this pandemic will be over, so we will see them. And the good thing for time is that it passes on. I hope good times will come, and this time is good too. Take care, keep yourself safe, stay home, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you again.